Stop me if this sounds familiar. Your alarm goes off, you hit snooze, then you hit it again and again. Finally, you grab your phone. You check Instagram, you scroll TikTok, 20 minutes disappear. Now you're late. You panic. You rush through everything. Skip breakfast, no shower. Out the door, already stressed and exhausted. And by 10 a.m., you feel like the day is already over. Here's what nobody tells you. The problem isn't that you're lazy. The problem is your morning routine is designed to fail. But what if I told you that you could completely transform your mornings in the next 10 minutes? No waking up at 5 a.m., no ice baths, no hour-long meditation sessions, just a simple system that actually works. Because here's the truth. Your entire day is decided in the first 30 minutes after you wake up. Get that right, and everything else falls into place. So for the next 10 minutes, forget everything you've heard about morning routines. I'm going to show you exactly what to do, step by step. And if you stick with me until the end, I guarantee you'll never look at your mornings the same way again. Let's fix this. First, let's talk about why your current routine is failing, because it's probably not your fault. There are 3 mistakes everyone makes. Mistake number 1, you're copying someone else's routine. You watch the video about some CEO who wakes up at 4:30 a.m., runs 5 miles, takes an ice bath, and meditates for an hour. And you thought, I should do that. But here's the reality. You're not that person. You don't have their schedule, their energy, their life circumstances. What works for them won't work for you. And that's okay. Mistake number 2, you're doing too much. You try to build the perfect morning routine. Wake up early, meditate, journal, exercise, read, make a healthy breakfast, shower, skincare routine, review your goals. That's like 12 different things. And by day 3, you quit because it's exhausting. Here's the truth. Complexity kills consistency. The more steps you add, the more likely you are to fail. Mistake number 3, you start with your phone. You wake up, first thing you do, check your phone. Emails, messages, Instagram, TikTok, news. And now you're in reactive mode. You're responding to other people's priorities. You're letting algorithms hijack your attention. You're starting your day in chaos. And that sets the tone for everything that follows. So those are the 3 mistakes. Copying others, doing too much, starting with your phone. Now let's fix it. I'm going to give you a simple 3-phase formula. Each phase takes just a few minutes, and together they'll completely transform your mornings. Ready? Here we go. Phase 1, wake. This is the first 5 minutes after you open your eyes, and the goal is simple. Gently activate your body and mind. Here's what you do. First, open your curtains or turn on a light. Immediately. Natural light tells your brain it's time to wake up. It boosts cortisol, which sounds bad but actually helps you feel alert. Second, drink water. Not coffee, water. Keep a glass or bottle by your bed the night before. Drink 16 ounces. Your body is dehydrated after sleeping for 8 hours. Hydration kickstarts your metabolism and brain function. Third, do some gentle stretching. You don't need a full yoga routine, just stretch in back for 2 to 3 minutes. Your neck, your shoulders, your back. This gets blood flowing and reduces stiffness. Fourth, take 3 deep breaths. Use the 4-7-8 technique. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, breathe out for 8 seconds. Do this 3 times. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system. It tells your body we're calm, we're safe, we're ready. That's it. 5 minutes, light, water, stretch, breathe. No shock to your system, no jumping out of bed, no hitting snooze 5 times. Just a gentle, intentional start. Phase 2, win. Now we're going to create momentum. This phase takes 10 to 15 minutes, and the goal is simple. Get 1 small win. Here's the key. You only need to pick one of these, not all of them, just one. Option 1. Move your body for 5 minutes. Go for a quick walk, do some yoga stretches, do jumping jacks. Anything. Just move. Movement releases endorphins and wakes up your brain. Option 2, journal for 5 minutes. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Write down 1 intention for the day. That's it. This shifts your mindset from negative to positive. Option 3, read for 5 minutes. Something inspiring. Not news, not work emails, something that energizes you. A book, an article, anything uplifting. Option 4, make your bed. Sounds simple, right? But it's a physical accomplishment. You completed a task. You started the day with a win. Pick one, whichever gives you energy, not what some influencer says you should do. Because here's the secret. Early wins create momentum. When you accomplish something small, your brain says, "Oh, we're productive today." And that carries forward. Phase 3, prepare. Final phase, 10 to 20 minutes. The goal here is to set yourself up for success. Here's what you do. First, review your top 3 priorities for the day. Not your entire to-do list, just 3 things. What are the most important tasks?
Write them down.
This gives you clarity and focus. Second, eat something with protein, not just coffee. I know, coffee is life, but your brain needs fuel. Eggs, Greek yogurt, protein shake, anything. Protein stabilizes your blood sugar and helps you focus. Third, no phone until after this phase. I'm serious, don't check it. Your morning belongs to you, not to emails, not to messages, not to Instagram. You can check your phone later, but protect these first 30 minutes. Fourth, visualize one moment from today going well. Just 30 seconds. Close your eyes and imagine yourself nailing that presentation, or having a great conversation, or finishing that project. This primes your brain for success. That's phase 3. Priorities, fuel, no phone, visualization. Okay, so that's the formula. 3 phases, simple, effective, doable. Now I know what you're thinking. You've got objections, so let me address them. Objection 1. I'm not a morning person. I get it. You love sleep. Mornings are terrible. You're a night owl. Here's the fix. Don't try to wake up 2 hours earlier. Just start with 15 minutes. That's it. Wake up 15 minutes earlier than you do now. Use that time for the wake phase. Light, water, stretch, breathe. Do that for a week, then add another 15 minutes. Build gradually, because it's not about waking up at 5 a.m. It's about starting your day intentionally, even if that's at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. Objection 2. I don't have time. Really? Let me ask you this. Do you have time to scroll TikTok for 20 minutes? Do you have time to watch TV at night? Do you have time to hit snooze 5 times? Then you have time for this. This routine is 25 to 40 minutes. You can even shorten it to 15 if you need to. It's not about having time, it's about making time. Because investing 30 minutes in your morning saves you hours of stress and inefficiency later. Objection 3. I keep falling off. This is the most common one. You start strong, day 1, you're motivated, day 2, still good, day 3, you hit snooze, day 4, you quit. Here's the fix. Prepare the night before. Lay out your clothes. Prep your water bottle. Set your alarm across the room so you have to get up to turn it off. Write down your 3 priorities for tomorrow before you go to bed. Remove friction. Make the right choice the easy choice. And here's the other thing. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. If you do this routine 4 or 5 days a week, that's a win. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be better than you were yesterday. Objection 4. My life is chaotic. I have kids. I have a crazy schedule. I hear you. Life is messy. Not everyone can have a calm, quiet morning. Here's what you do. Adapt. Do the 5-minute version. Just a wake phase. Light, water, breathe. That's it. Or wake up 20 minutes before everyone else. I know it's hard, but those 20 minutes of peace might be the best part of your day. The routine isn't rigid. It's flexible. Take what works, leave what doesn't. Here's something most people don't realize. Your morning routine actually starts the night before. Think about it. If you go to bed at 2 a.m., wake up exhausted, and your room is a mess, your morning is already doomed. So here's what you do the night before. Lay out your clothes, or at least decide what you're wearing. This removes decision fatigue. Prep breakfast or have a plan. Know what you're eating. Don't figure it out when you're already running late. Set water by your bed, so it's there when you wake up. Charge your phone outside your bedroom, or at least across the room, not on your nightstand. This reduces the temptation to check it first thing. Write down your top 3 priorities for tomorrow so you wake up with clarity. Set a consistent bedtime. Sleep quality matters more than wake time. If you're only getting 5 hours of sleep, no morning routine will save you. These small things make a massive difference. You're setting yourself up to win before the day even starts. Okay, let's be real for a second. Some mornings are going to suck. You're gonna hit snooze, you're going to check your phone, you're going to skip the whole routine. And that's okay. Don't spiral. Don't beat yourself up. Don't think, I failed, so I might as well quit. Just reset tomorrow. Because here's the truth. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. 4 good mornings a week is better than 0, and over time, those good mornings stack up. Imagine this. You do this routine 5 days a week. That's 20 good mornings a month. 240 good mornings a year. Do you think that's going to change your life? Absolutely. Because your morning sets the tone for your entire day. When you start with intention, everything else follows. Your focus improves, your mood improves, your productivity improves. Fix your morning, fix your life. So here's your recap. Phase 1, wake. Light, water, stretch, breathe. Phase 2, win. One small action for momentum. Phase 3, prepare. Priorities, fuel, no phone, visualization. That's it. Simple, effective, doable. Now, here's what I want you to do. Try this for 7 days, just 7 days, and then come back and tell me in the comments how you feel. What's one thing you're going to add to your morning routine? Drop it in the comments right now. And if this helped you, share it with someone who needs it, because chances are they're struggling with their mornings too. All right, that's it. Go fix your morning. I'll see you in the next one.